Sorry, Justin.
And believe me, this is pretty thick. I can't see through this. Yeah, that's good. And then tie it, please. Okay. Okay. Come. Where's Justin at?
In front of you.
Give me a number 1, please. Okay, so this is a number 1, right? So I want you to count with me. Count with me. So we're going to go 1. You count.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
One more time.
1,
Count faster.
3, 4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7, 8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11, 12.
Okay, good. So now when the strike comes, see, first you got to feel the strike. So once it comes, then just react. See it? See it? You're going to come here. And here. Now we're going to turn. See it? Count with me. 1. Remember?
2, 3,
You forgot.
4, 5, 6,
There you
7,
go. Remember?
8,
9, 10.
Here, one more time. So first I wait for the strike. See it? Now I know where he's at. See it? I can feel him. See it? I can feel his heartbeat. Okay, one more time. So from here, this is here. See it? So once you develop the sensitivity, and all you have to do is tap his stick. Once you tap his stick, then you know where his arms are at. See it? So from here, if I'm coming inside, all I do is do an inside block. You see that? Then here. Then I switch. Then I got to just redirect and find where it's sticking. Okay. That's it.